Lucky number 13 is in the house. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. If you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So this video doesn't really need an intro. We have the iPhone 13 Pro Max Sierra Blue in my hands, could hardly believe it. And per usual, anytime we get a new Apple product on this channel, gotta unbox it. So we're gonna do just that. Without any further ado, the unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But first, a quick look at the box. On the front of the box, you will see the iPhone 13 Pro Max backing, which is actually kind of cool. You can't tell this at home, but it's slightly raised, both the phone itself and the cameras. It's slightly embossed. Just the little subtleties like that make the unboxing experience so fun. On the left side of the box, you'll see iPhone on the right side, Apple logo on top, Apple logo on bottom, and on the back, we got some more information about the model, serial number, all that good stuff. But let's make sure the sleeves are rolled up. The untabbing of the back of the box tabs. 1, 2, we will flip this over. The moment we've actually been waiting for. The unboxing itself. The iPhone 13 Pro Max Sierra Blue Edition. Oh my goodness. Look at that color. I don't even know if this video is gonna do this color any justice. And for those of you who know me, this should probably come as somewhat of a surprise because typically I get whatever product I can in the color that comes closest to matte black. But I just couldn't help myself this year. That Sierra Blue color, I figured, you know what? It's still muted, but also still vibrant, but also still subtle, but also still very noticeable, so I had to get it. And oh my gosh, the way it glistens in the light. Oh! But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's see what else comes in the box. Also in the box, you will see this little packet of information designed by Apple in California. If we open this up, the first thing you'll see is the SIM card ejection tool. So you could actually use this to eject the SIM card. I always feel a need to explain that. I don't get why. Also, in this packet of information, you will see a little informational packet with safety and handling information. You could read that if you want to. And then last but certainly not least, your beloved Apple sticker. Is it really an unboxing experience if you didn't get an Apple sticker? I mean, come on. And that's it in the packet of information. Besides that, you will also see you get a USB-C to Lightning cable. If we undo this, oh, did it pretty easily that time. You will see it is a 3-foot Lightning, spoke too soon, a 3-foot Lightning to USB-C cable, so you could use this to actually charge up your iPhone 13 Pro Max. But that's what comes in the box, enough of that. We gotta take a closer look at the phone itself. Look at that Sierra Blue. Oh my word, I was nervous switching things up, going to an actual color instead of a monochromatic color, but I think the decision paid off. Oh, look at those edges. Wow, take a good look at that now because this thing is gonna be covered in fingerprints within a matter of seconds. The way those Sierra Blue edges glisten in the light, it's beautiful. Not quite as beautiful as what matte black would be, I don't know, but I'm not regretting this decision whatsoever. You have the matching colors around the camera lenses themselves, this beautiful Sierra Blue. Oh, matted glass back. Not usually a color guy, but whew, leave it to Apple to change me. But of course, we have a little cellophane to uncellophane here, so let's do that. Oh, there it is! Holy moly. You gotta give it to Apple. They know how to make a sexy phone. Without even turning this thing on, I could notice the notch being a little bit smaller. Also, the earpiece is a little more raised. So noticing a couple minor design changes right at the start, but that is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue. Oh my word, I could probably just do this for an hour and I'd entertain myself. But let's turn it on for the first time. Boom, the Apple logo. Oh, Ooh, there it is. There it is. A little hello. Just a hello, and I'm already in love with the display. If I swipe up, oh my goodness. Okay, so you probably can't tell, just like the actual color, you can't really tell how beautiful the faster refresh rate display actually is, but take it from me, take it from your boy. I'm liking it. So far, I know we've literally just experienced it for 5 seconds, but I could tell the difference, and it is everything I hoped it would be, and more. But we got some walkthrough stuff we gotta do here. I'm not gonna bore you with that. You know the drill. I'm gonna snap my fingers, it'll all be done for you. It's set up. iPhone 13 Pro Max being used for the first time. All right, right out of the gate, I could tell the faster refresh rate. I know some people out there like to argue you can't tell, but I could tell. And it's just making the overall phone just feel snappier, more responsive, faster, while at the same time, being just as smooth as it's ever been. Just feels more powerful, just feels like a pro phone. So I'm hyped. Faster refresh rates, I'm noticing it, I'm liking it. And then the cameras, oof, we have so much to test. Between the cameras, the ProMotion 120 Hz refresh rate, the A15 Bionic chip, so many things to test, so little time. But if you guys don't want to miss any of the content that I have planned for the iPhone 13 Pro, do yourself a favor, and also obviously do me a favor. Please smash that subscribe button. That way you will be alerted if you have the notifications turned on whenever my new content for this new iPhone drops on this channel. And as always, you guys know, if you want to find out more information about the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max, or just to cop one of these beautiful babies for yourself, you guys can always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/iPhone 13 Pro. bmac.link/iPhone 13 Pro, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check that out. I'm telling you, yes, obviously I'm gonna use the iPhone, but I could probably just stand here all day and just let this thing glisten in the light, and I'd be happy as a clam. Just let it glisten. Oh, goodness. I will see you guys in my next video. And that selfie camera, oh, I'm not even a selfie taker, and this phone's gonna turn me into a selfie taker as well. What is going on?